How to fix Snapchat notification sound not working. Hello everyone, I am Bishakha and welcome to our channel. I will take you through the step-by-step process on how to fix Snapchat notification sound not working in iPhone. Now, let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, swipe down from the right side of your screen. You will be led to the control center. Here, go ahead and tap hold on focus and then make sure that the do not disturb mode is not enabled. Next, make sure your phone is not in silent mode. Slide the switch on the left side of your iPhone upwards if your phone is in silent mode. Now, launch the settings application on your device. Here, tap on notifications and scroll down and tap on the Snapchat option there. Make sure the toggle button for sounds is toggled on. Also, go back and now tap on sounds and haptics. Here, tap on text tone and make sure the none option is not selected. Go back and tap on notifications again and scroll down and tap on Snapchat. Now scroll down to the bottom again and tap on the Snapchat notification settings option. In here, make sure all the toggle buttons are enabled. If your issue is still not fixed, then try to delete the app and reinstall the app again. To delete, go to your home screen and tap hold on the Snapchat application. You will see the remove app option there. Tap on that and then tap on the delete app option. In the pop-up that appears, tap on delete again and then go ahead and open App Store and tap on the search bar and search for Snapchat application and reinstall the application again. If the issue is still not fixed, try to restart your device, as restarting the device fixes majority of issues on your iPhone, and your Snapchat notification sounds should be working just fine by now. If you find this tutorial helpful, please make sure to like the video and do subscribe to our channel for more contents like this. Thank you for staying with us until the end.